Here's a mystery box that came with a couple of lathes I got this weekend. Let's go through it and see what we got. It's good enough to be a spare. TrueFlex 2380. It says static safe. See that? Interesting. This one, not so much. Yeah, maybe. What else we got? (18.5) connected to, looks like a reversing switch. Yeah, I probably shouldn't attempt it. Alright, what else do we have? KBC 6306Z. Used. Nice plastic box. Nice lock washer. Ooh. Boring bar was one time. Carbide. That. Let's see, the holder, the shaft look good. But that end. Wow. Atlas. Give you an idea what I picked up for a couple of lathes. Here's a, wow. Straight shank. Uh-oh. Interesting. Dog. Nice small one. T-handle. Ooh, that's interesting. Saw cut. Good size key. Whatever happened here. Right where the number is. Momax, Cleveland Twist Drill Company, 3/8. Set of 4 taper. An interesting thread that leads into that taper. Homemade stuff. Stainless steel shafts. Fine on one end, coarse on the other. Could be used for stock. Ooh, what do we have here? Monotime Savers, New York City. Looks to be bronze. Wow, that's interesting. It appears to all still be there. 2 slots. This is a knurler. Doesn't really look very old. Doesn't have to be. Interesting. And the phone rings. Okay, back to the knurlers. Knurler. Handy knurler. Let's get some. Magic sauce on there. Handy knurler. Dayton, Oregon. Looks like an Atlas wrench. Up here where we can see it. That's almost looks like a new bushing for the head. Huh, I'll have to check that out. Electricians. Another interesting piece, sharp on both ends. Almost like a gasket tool. Hole cutter for a gasket is what it looks like. Got some research to do. Atlas handle, knob, okay. I'm not new, but this is interesting. Okay, maybe I'm just new enough. So obviously interesting. More studs. Here's a hex. And another monotime saver. That's it. bolt, a washer, and a nut. Well, there's a couple of cool things in there. I'll have to investigate. I'll have to go out and check out the lathes that I got. That is quite the bronze bushing. Johnson. I actually thought I was going to say John Deere on it. Johnson. It's a 204. So both of these lathes are THs. This is a 48. And this is a TH42. I think the 42 is a little better shape. .48 has a little more rust, but the owner's been soaking it for the last couple of years. As you can see, the shiny from the fluid film. They both have all their teeth. They don't seem to have any major issues. The stand was brought with them. Really doesn't go with them. It's a Yates American Machine Company J70, which would have been a wood lathe, and that's missing the head and tail stock and tool rest, but it's a heavy-duty base. It does put the lathe about 4 inches above elbow height, which is way too high for me, but it's only temporary. More of a workbench as I restore these. The story behind these is they are on loan. They're not mine. They're here for restoration, and I get to use them until I find a 1336 or a 1440 would probably be the biggest I would go with. More modern lathe. All the teeth are here. Everything spins freely. It'll all be gone through, torn apart, checked. The only thing I might not do right now is paint, but mechanically they will be probably both gone through. Two drive units, both with motors. one without pulleys. I have to show you this. This is the tool rest from the TH42. I'm not quite sure what they were thinking. Look at this insert compared to my thumb. That's huge. It's all paper shims. Sometimes it's easier to do things right. That was a lot of work. I don't think I'll do a full restoration video. I will post some updates. Show you the progress. Thanks for watching.